Having a profile in the eSpeakers Marketplace is an excellent way to get exposure to buyers. Your programs are a critical part of your profile. This is what buyers are getting when they hire you. Programs also include searchable information that isn't stored anywhere else in your profile. So having excellent profile information that's rich with keywords will mean that you are included in additional searches. Let's look at how to add programs to your profile in eSpeakers. I'm going to sign in the upper right-hand corner of eSpeakers.com. From the dashboard, I'm going to go to My Profile and then Edit Your Profile. In this menu on the left, I'll go to Programs. You can click the Add button to add new programs. I'm going to edit one of the existing programs to show you the specifics. If you can present this in more than one language, make a different program for each language. You can also choose which of your selected topics this program belongs to. Enter the program's title, and again, this is the keyword-rich searchable section, and then describe your program's characteristics by choosing tags from the available tags groups. We have 3 different tags groups, and you can scroll to find additional tags. In the displayed list of selected tags, you can drag and drop to arrange them in order of importance, with the most important first. These program tags are searchable by buyers, so be sure to tag them accurately so that you are included in searches. Adding a CMP domain tag, for instance, this is an excellent way to get hired by MPI chapters. On the left, we have a template. This includes format, target audience, and takeaways. Enter the program's description in the area provided. This is generally a few sentences long. The format is the time that your program will take. The target audience is who you're looking to speak to. And the takeaways are what the audience will gain by hearing this keynote. The program description field should include the benefits the audience will receive, explain how the audience members will be improved or changed due to what you will offer in the presentation. One successful pattern is to use a bullet list labeled "This program is perfect for," followed by 3 or 4 items, like it's perfect for senior management and teams struggling with forward momentum and managers of underperforming sales groups. And below that, the audience will leave with, and then the changes and the outcomes that they could expect after hearing your keynote. Add a few programs to your profile right now, and give meeting planners and conference organizers additional reasons why they should hire you.